What's Sophia doing? What a mess! Oh, Sophia! Oh. It's all right, Sophia. Your whole shirt is soaked. It's so hilarious. That's a banana. Or no, that's a fake one. All right, Sophia. All right. This is ridiculous. Look at the amount of water that you have on you. Caleb, what? It's all water. Looks like you took a shower. Caleb, what the heck did she do, Caleb? Water. That was not good. Caleb thought it was funny. That's a shoe. It's a block. Those are your pajamas. All right, we're gonna get out. That was just our placeholder. Let's go.